are the two products you need for the perfect Beachy wave: Great Barrier Heat Protectant Hairspray and the Beachwaver. The Beachwaver is a rotating curling iron that makes it so easy to curl your hair. I'm gonna show you how it works. But first, we're gonna start with the Great Barrier Heat Protectant Hairspray. It protects up to 450 degrees before you curl. You're gonna open up the clamp, place the hair in, and simply tap the arrow away. You control it so it only rotates when you press the button. You can leave the ends out for a beachy wave or open it, glide it in for a bouncy curl. Hold it for about 3 to 4 seconds, open, and slide straight off the barrel. Now it rotates in both directions to make it really easy to curl both sides. So as you see, Sophie's gonna curl her own hair. She's gonna place it in and then tap the arrow away. Hold it for a couple seconds, open, and release straight down. And she gets a perfect curl every single time.